So you have a loose belt that won't tighten anymore. I'm going to show you how to change your belt and check your wheels. Stay tuned. All right, so the first thing that we need to do is go ahead and remove the casing of the belt. All right, so we'll go ahead and take this screw and this screw right here. You have one right here, one right here. The next thing that we need to do is loosen up the belt. It comes off right here. Then we need to go ahead and remove the leg. There is 3 screws right in here that we need to remove. We'll take the legs off. And then we take the screws, and then we take these 2 screws down here. We'll also go ahead and take this housing off down here. We'll This will give us easy access to the wheels down here. Want to make sure that this wheel is nice and tight. It's not wobbling, it's not moving. Give it a little tightening, and that one's good to go. Go ahead and remove the belt. And then when we remove the motor head, we'll go ahead and have two wires that we need to take off. You have the black wire, black and red with the black connector, and then the one that goes into the motor itself. Just slide it out. And now we're ready to go ahead and switch out the belt. Okay, so now that we have it all apart, we just cut it to the right length. We'll go ahead and snake it through. You take the belt on the nipple and then up and into that groove and make sure it's touching right there at the end. And then we'll go ahead and slide it in the same way it came off. Pull on it. Then we're gonna go and flip it over and work our way to the other side. Make sure you go under in here, under the wheel, under this wheel. And flip it again. And this is where this piece comes in. And we will go ahead and work it the same way that we did on the other side. We got to remember that we still have to put the brass piece on this end. So what we want to do is we want to make sure we measure and give yourself some space. Give yourself some space. So I would say to put it right there at the top. Just for the belt wear out and whatever else we're not seeing right now from the belt wearing out. So that way you can still tighten it a little bit more. We'll take that into consideration. So we have to make sure that we put our bottom wheel in place. tight, but not extremely tight. And then we guide the belt through the leg, back up the leg again. All right, so I hate to do it because the video was getting too long, but I got to split it in 2 parts. So thank you for watching, and the second video will be somewhere around right here. See you in part 2.